Wow! Look at this! Talagang mapabig bite ka talaga. Super sarap as in. Napaka-fresh ng mga veggies at ng patty. The best talaga dito sa Champs, located at Bypass Road, Tarlac City. Likod lamang ito ng SM Tarlac, near KKK Gasoline Station. Look at this naman! Bisitahin nyo ang Champs Restaurant and Steakhouse na talaga naman super affordable at mabubusog ka. Tingnan nyo naman how generous naman ang kanilang servings. Napakasarap talaga. Super enjoy much talaga si The Lady Boss. At talaga namang napa-wow. At sobrang saya ko kasi first time ko atang nakakain ng ganito kasarap na hamburger. Dito lamang yan sa Tarlac City. Subukan nyo nang bisitahin ang Champs Hamburger and Steaks dito po sa Tarlac City. Thank you for watching. Please watch, share, like, and syempre naman, mag-subscribe. Thank you. Bye!